transport of useful materials to where they are needed and metabolic waste products to where the body can get rid of them explains how the parts of the circulatory system work together. The transport system, circulatory system, and cardiovascular system all refer to the flow of blood through the heart and blood vessels. In humans, blood circulates through two pathways. So let's talk first about the general flow of blood. Kapag sinabi natin general flow of blood, ito yung pangkalahatan na pagdaloy ng ating dugo mula sa puso papunta sa iba't ibang parte ng katawan. Blood from all over the body enters the heart by the way of blood vessels, which open into the right atrium. When the wall of the right atrium contracts, blood goes to the right ventricle. When the wall of the right ventricle contracts, blood rushes to the lungs. Blood from the lungs returns to the heart by entering the left atrium, and when the wall of the left atrium contracts, blood rushes to all parts of the body. Blood flows in this direction and not backward because the presence of the flaps of muscles are also known as valves, which allow blood to flow in one direction only. So let's discuss pulmonary circulation. Pag sinabi natin pulmonary circulation, it refers to lungs. So paano daw dumadalo yung dugo mula sa puso papunta sa lungs at pabalik muli sa puso? So this is the flow of the blood to the heart, to the capillaries of the lungs, and back to the heart. The right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs, passing the pulmonary arteries, and as the blood reaches the capillaries of the lungs, oxygen diffuses into the blood while excess carbon dioxide leaves the bloodstream. The oxygenated blood returns to the heart by the way of pulmonary veins. Next is the systematic circulation. This is the pathway of the blood from the heart to the capillaries of the body organs and back to the heart. The largest chamber of the heart, the left ventricle, pumps blood to all parts of the body. The blood leaves the left ventricle by the way of the largest blood vessels in the body, the aorta. As the blood reaches the capillaries of the different organs of the body, oxygen, food, and other substances diffuse out of the blood and into the tissues. At the same time, waste materials from the cells diffuse into the bloodstream. The blood returns to the heart by the way of veins.